Hi everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm working on a Christmas transfer. It's hard to believe. I live in Florida and it's almost 100 degrees outside. It is hot. But hey, school has started, kids are going back to school. So fall is just around the corner. So back to my transfer. I am doing it on our shadow box. And I put some ornaments, small ornaments inside. And now I'm just chalking up with chalk paste the white for the joy, the J and the Y, to the world. Now the next step is the wreath, and it is a two-step or a layered transfer. So of course the green for the leaves and then the red for the berries. Now I was done at this point, and my husband looked at it and he says, you know, you need some color, you need some red. So I took out some ornaments from the days to Christmas, and instead of red I used Currant jam. It's more of a pinkish type of red. And I did 2 ornaments. And then later I just put, it's like a little chain transfer for hanging the ornaments. So if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see some more and shop around or join and become a designer like me, just go to chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Okay, I'm just finishing up. Yeah, you know, he was right. It did need some red. I like that a lot better. If you look close, you can see me with my hands trying to take the video. It's like a mirror. It's just too funny.